How to fix ChaiBot not responding. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see some troubleshooting steps that will help you if your ChaiBot is not responding. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that you have a stable internet connection, that may be your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If that's not your case, then what you can do is completely close the application and then you have to reopen it and check whether the application is responding properly or not. If not, then log out and log in again. Open up the ChaiBot application in your mobile device. After that, you have to log out of your account. In order to log out, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on settings. Once you're here, you have to tap on sign out. After that, log in back again to check if the bot starts responding. If that still does not help you, the second option that you can do is check for the application updates. You have to open up the Google Play Store, search for the ChaiBot application and see if its newer version available. If it needs update, you have to update the application. And if this still does not help you, try to clear the application cache. So for that, you have to open up settings and head towards apps. You will find ChaiBot application in your application. You have to open it up. That's gonna land you to the app info. Here, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After that, restart the application and see if your issue is resolved. If that still does not help you, you can use or try a different bot. Some bots may have temporary issues. So try to chat with a different AI bot. And if still not, uninstall the application and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. And if the issue still persists, you can reach out to their customer support through their website or application. So these are some of the troubleshooting steps that will help you if the ChaiBot application is not responding in your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.